allow us to take this opportunity to congratulate you, Your Excellency. And thank you for taking up that responsibility. And now, Your Excellency, I would like to request, in the very same order, beginning with the Charter, so the Vice-Chancellor is now fully empowered to implement. Then we have the maize. We have the logo. We have the seal. And finally, we have the accreditation report, which again contains our detailed evaluation of the university and what we have asked them to do.